Hello, my name is Ryan Garcia, and I chose to do my research topic on gun control. My title is Gun Control, Protection or Taking Freedom. In today's society, gun control is a hot topic of debate due to the recent increase in mass shootings in the last 2 decades. Growing up, I was always taught how to own and properly operate a firearm in the case of protection and as it is a constitutional right. Uh, Growing up in my house, I was always taught that as American citizens, we are born with the right to own and operate a firearm in our home legally. In today's society, specifically in the United States, gun control eh, gun control is a very hot topic of debate as anti-gun supporters and pro-gun supporters clash on a daily basis. In this presentation, we will talk about both sides of the debate and what each side believes in. For my first source, I read a book called The Seven Myths of Gun Control, Reclaiming the Truth About Guns, Crime, and the Second Amendment. The author of this book was Richard Poe. He is a conservative-leaning author as he presents views on gun control and gun advocacy, as well as providing research-based evidence to refute anti-gun claims. This book was a good source because it provides insight on the right side of the debate, which would be the pro-gun supporters, the right side, and which is conservative, and what they believe in. For my second source, it is an article by an author named Angela Stroud called "Guns Don't Kill People: Good Guys and Legitimization of Gun Violence." The article that she writes presents evidence and facts about the history of gun violence as well as what has happened in the last decade. She talks about her perspective on gun laws in the United States specifically, with a driving point that guns do not kill people, but rather people kill people. In the United States Constitution, the Second Amendment, it states, "A well-regulated militia, being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed." Both sides of the debate say that the Second Amendment says two different things. One, they say that the militia that is being referred to was only in that time, now only militias are able to own and operate firearms. The other side of the debate says that the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed is us, United States citizens. For my other source, the author Phoebe Body wrote an article called "It's Time to Ban Guns." Yes, all of them. She presents her stance on the debate of gun control, with her main point being the fact that the United States should ban all firearms and to not give citizens the right to own one. She says that this will completely eliminate mass shootings as well as all of gun violence. Who is right? Anti-gun and pro-gun advocacy is one that is very, very hotly debated in today's society. The cited works helped me specifically get an understanding about how Americans can find middle ground. By taking this information back home with me, I can I now have new insight into the harsh debate on the idea of firearms in American society. Do gun laws take away American liberties? Are we able to find common goal? Are we able to find a common goal between the two sides of the debate? Unity amongst Americans is one that I believe is very important. Middle ground within the debate and topic of gun control is one that can easily be found. I believe that for future studies, we need to extend research focusing on ways to prevent and reduce mass shootings and gun violence as a whole. What specifically does this research and studies look like? I believe that we need to look more into the idea of suicides in the younger generation, as this accounts for many, many gun violence tragedies. What exactly does this research and studies look like? And that is the question that I will be trying to answer later. Thank you.